What's up everybody, Riley here from Hodson Motors today again with Retro Manufacturing, going over their newest and most exciting release, something that I've been super excited about personally, the Dallas radio. This radio is made for 1985 to 86 Ford trucks, so that's Ford F-150s, 250s, 350s, and Broncos. This radio face is a specialty size. It's a little bit bigger than a single din, but not quite a din and a half. Ford had this goofy setup in these trucks that we refer to as bullnose Fords. In these bullnose Fords, Ford made a weird radio face size that nothing fits, but now luckily from our friends at Retro, we can finally fill that gap and make this look beautiful.